It's now been 16 days since the shooting of Sean Suiter. It happened back there where that blue tarp is, back through this very narrow little area with very little opportunity for people to see what may have happened back there. The suicide theory, which did come up today, is just a possible theory. The commissioner says it's not a leading theory at all, but it is under consideration. The request for the FBI to step in, one more indication of how complicated this case has become. In asking the FBI to take over the Sean Suiter case, City Police Commissioner Kevin Davis complained about federal authorities, saying they may not be sharing information with city homicide detectives.
Our homicide detectives, some of the best in the business, some of the best I've ever seen, can't do their jobs effectively if there's a perception or a reality that we don't possess all the information that we need to conduct the investigation.
Suiter was a federal witness at the time he was shot to death, November 15th. He was scheduled to testify in the ongoing Baltimore police corruption case the following day. Davis also acknowledged for the first time investigators are considering the possibility Sean Suiter killed himself.
It's not the lead theory, but we're pursuing it.
Suiter was shot with his own weapon at close range. The gun was found adjacent to his body. And the commissioner confirmed our previous reporting, no DNA or fingerprints to indicate a second person.
Right now, there is no DNA evidence or other forensic evidence, blood, etc., that identifies the perpetrator.
But Davis says there's no evidence Suiter was contemplating suicide, and other evidence suggests a struggle, Suiter's clothing, and a brief radio transmission that still has not been deciphered. To date, Davis says, there is no link between Suiter's death and his pending grand jury testimony. The case in which he was a witness was unsealed yesterday. It accuses Gun Sergeant Wayne Jenkins of planting drugs in a 2010 case. Suiter was involved in the case, but not accused of wrongdoing.
So in the best interest of the integrity of the investigation, I just believe it's the right thing to do to ask the FBI to assume the lead on the investigation to bring that layer of credibility that we need.
Two other developments tonight. First of all, another sergeant that was involved in that 2010 case but not criminally charged, he has now been suspended. Also, the acting U.S. Attorney Steve Schoening says he notified Commissioner Kevin Davis the day after Suiter died that he indeed was a federal witness about to testify before a federal grand jury. Again, he says that happened the day after Suiter's death. Previous reports said that notification didn't come until November 21st. But again, the U.S. Attorney says that information was incorrect. Reporting live tonight from West Baltimore, I'm Jane Miller, WBAL TV 11 News.